Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Set solo mode, disable arena, and pick the lowest latency region so the system matches simpler lobbies. Once done, log a fresh or low-level account if your goal is easier opponents, but keep progression on your main Epic account if required. Make sure controller or mouse settings match your comfort, because consistent input reduces mistakes and helps you exploit bot behavior. Now queue immediately, don't idle. Early queue timing raises chances of being matched with bots. Once in the match, drop where few players land and loot quickly, because bots rarely rotate far from initial spawns and you'll secure gear faster. Move methodically, build when exposed, and take fights you can win to increase eliminations without unnecessary risk. Bots struggle versus consistent pressure. Make sure to use headphones. Bots move predictably, so footsteps and glider sounds tell you when to push. As the ring closes, rotate smartly into safe positions. Conserve materials for decisive endgame plays. You finish by isolating opponents with smart builds and high ground control. Bots struggle with complex edit plays, so force close quarters fights or simple peek shots to finish. Once done, extract XP and review loadout choices to replicate success. If the match pairs you repeatedly with skilled players, leave and requeue. Matchmaking can rebalance quickly, so try different regions or times. For persistent glitches or odd bot behavior, report them to Epic and tweak your drop spots and rotation timing to stay effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.